Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Dogecoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 4 hour in case maybe you're new to trading and charts. Well, instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. And I like to do this time frame because remember, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, I understand the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And by using the 4-hour time frame, it's going to allow me to talk about more so general levels and then walk you through some questions. And then based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So like I said, it just makes the ability to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. But as of right now, an interesting dynamic, and it may not mean anything, but I do want to at least get it mapped out here. But the price is starting to pull back here a little bit, which now has me, wondering, yeah, the pullback is occurring as the price pulls back right here. But I mean, is this any sort of legitimate pullback? Is there actually any sort of bearishness behind it? And I have no idea. But one of the key levels here that can help us answer that question is all about that green trend line right there, which brings us to question number 1. So let's say you are watching this video 20 hours from now. Question number 1 becomes, well, where's the price at relative to 34 cents, which is basically the value of that green line. If you are answering the question that the price is down below 34 cents, then that's a pretty big bearish situation. Now, how big of a bearish situation? Well, common sense at that point, meaning, well, how far down below 34 cents is it? The further down below 34 cents, the more of a bearish situation it has become. Again, I have no idea if it's actually going to go down to that trend line, but as of now, the price is broken down below that purple line there, which is a little bit of a bearish event. But as far as what would be something even bigger, well, that's what comes about in regards to that trend line right there. So that is the first question that I would ask yourself. Now, maybe you're saying, well, Clay, no, the price is still up above 34 cents. All right, well, that's a good situation there. But the next key level now to watch, and the next question would then be, okay, well, if the price is up above 34 cents, where is the price at relative to that area right up there at 40 cents, which is now going to be that near-term area of resistance? Yes, that pink line up there still is an area of resistance, but really before you even focus on that, in my opinion at least, the first key level that now needs to be broken right up there at 40 cents. And if you're answering the question that the price is up above 40 cents, well, then that would be a very solid situation, and you'd want to just question, okay, well, where's the price relative to 44 cents, which is the value of there. But I mean, first step would just be, let's see if the price can even get up above that 40-cent mark. So overall, those are going to be the main questions to ask yourself and main levels to keep an eye on. But let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.